Hey guys, it's Lupton, and it's good to be back on YouTube. It's good to be making videos again. No, I'm not gonna make like a whole intense video, real artsy one about how I'm back on YouTube. You guys will see that in the future. I just wanted to just make something, edit something, and get something that's up and out there because lately I've been really busy. I'm, I guess, one of the head lecturers over at the Academy of Fashion Blogging. I'll chuck a link down in the description. And basically I've just been teaching people, well, about fashion blogging, like how to get into fashion weeks and how to do brand deals and things like that. But anyway, enough about me, back into the video. And what video are we doing today? What video will I be doing? The video I will be doing is a Gucci unboxing video. That's right. A pair of Gucci slides me and my girlfriend got. She's got the women's, I've got the men's. If you guys want to see us do like an unboxing or a review of them together, let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys want to like find where to get some like Gucci slides, I'll put that in the like description or the comments or something as well, because honestly guys, well, I can't say that they're mean, I haven't even opened them yet. I guess we'll find out if they're mean. But yeah, it'll be in the link description down there. But yeah, so these just showed up today, which is exciting. And it's a box and a letter. And the letter, it just says Gucci on the back of it, and I legit haven't even opened it until just now. Boom, look at that. I did it. It says, I haven't even read it properly. Oh, it just says that this is like legit Gucci, and for some reason they sent me my shipping thing because, okay, same Gucci, same. But I'm loving the packaging though. It's very like prestigious, which you'd hope it would be for like the price you pay, but I hear the product itself is, well, I mean, it's authentic everything, so it's gonna be worth it anyway, but it's nice to see that they've gone the extra mile with the packaging. Oh, look at that. Look at that ribbon come off. So, we haven't even opened the box yet, as you can see. And what do we have here? What is this? This is a Gucci little care card to make sure I don't ruin my new shoes, my new slides. Side note, I've never actually owned a pair of slides, so this is gonna be exciting. Here we go. Damn, Daniel. Back at it again for those 2017 memes. What? Damn, Daniel was 2017. Burnt, wrecked. Ah. So Gucci gang, so damn, okay, like, just damn, Daniel. So I don't even know where to start with these. I haven't actually done many, if any, review videos, and I don't really know what you guys would want to know. So I'm going to start doing a lot more of them about anything really. So just let me know what you guys want to hear in these sorts of videos so I know. And oh my god, these are so flash. Look at them. So they each come with like, okay, wow, there's two of them, okay. Each individual shoe has its own little like Gucci bag, you know, I guess. So you can put them each in there individually for some reason. But damn, that's flash. So I've got two nice little white satiny Gucci bags with the shoes. The amazing packaging. And that is everything that would be in that box there. So I guess I'm gonna try these out and see how they are. Look at that. They're perfect. Ugh. So they fit perfectly, which is like awesome because I was quite worried about them. We got like a slightly larger size than I would usually get. But Gucci runs like a little bit, almost dropped them. Ah, don't drop the expensive shoes. But yeah, Gucci runs a little bit small, so guys, if you're purchasing it and like looking at these, I would definitely recommend purchasing some Gucci slides because you ain't shit unless you got Gucci slides. You know, I'll put the link somewhere if you want to buy them. But they run a little bit small, so maybe get like half a size or a size larger. But they feel amazing, authentic. This is real. Sorry, Peter or any animal activist. It was already dead. Look, I wanted Gucci shoes that had fur on them. So there we have it guys, that was my unboxing and really quick review of my new Gucci slides. Once again, links down in the description if you want to buy some. I just want to thank my girlfriend for getting me these. She actually got a pair as well of the women's matching ones. If you guys want to see us do like an unboxing or a review or an outfit together, just let me know down in the comments. That's pretty much all I have for this video. I'm going to be posting more regularly again about, I guess, my travels, my journeys, and a lot of exciting things upcoming. Like, I mean, I'm going to Coachella this year, so expect a lot of cool Coachella videos and review videos and videos with my girlfriend. So until then, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace out.